Hi, welcome to Growing and Chilling with Deb. As you can see, we're right inside the camper today. We're boondocking, and I was gonna put this together outside, but the ponies decided to come up to the campsite, so I'm gonna put it together in here, and then I'll take you outside and we'll throw it on the campfire. So today we're making some caprese chicken hobo packs. And I got the recipe from my health coach, Jacqueline. And if you want any information about her, I can let you know. Just give me a comment. So let's get this started. First off, we needed 4 pieces of aluminum foil, and 2 apiece, cracked into a T, so that we can wrap them up. I have my chicken breast right here. One of them so far that I pounded out, and I'm gonna salt and pepper these, and just a little bit, not too much, because you don't want too much on here. Oh, and you know what I forgot to do? Well, this will be mine. I forgot to spray my foil, but that's okay, because I don't think it'll really matter that much anyway. But you really want to pound it out good. I know that I didn't. This would be actually a great thing for, like, if you wanted to set it up for backpacking, you can make real small ones, chicken tenders in there or whatever, put all the stuff together, because it's real simple. You just throw it on the fire. So in here I'm going to add some tomatoes, a little bit of tomato, and I'm not really cross-contaminating because everything is going to be cooked together anyway, you know, so I don't foresee it being a big deal. And I'm going to add my own little twist with some asparagus. Andy's is going to have some green beans, and then you just want to put that in here with some tomatoes and all, and then we'll add some fresh basil. I don't really take them off the stems or anything, but it's just how I roll. That looks good. Now, what we want to do is just add a little bit more mozzarella cheese. I don't need too much, but that's good. Then we want to bring them up on the sides and make a little pack, but you have to make it to where you can put a little bit of juice in here without it running out. I'm using chicken stock. You can use water or anything really that you want to make. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay, maybe just like not even like a quarter of a cup, maybe. And then roll them up. If I can do this. Roll them up and kind of seal them tight on both sides, and voila, you have one pack. Let me get this other pack going, and then we'll throw them on the fire. It's just the same as this one, but with green beans. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, just gonna throw these bad boys on the oven. On the oven. On the campfire.
On the outdoor oven.
Yeah, it's really fun. And you know what? I mean, you could do this with like hamburger and potatoes, or basically anything. I mean, and you can even add your own seasonings if you want any kind of seasoning. I just find it's like really simple and easy. Prepare everything ahead of time and just throw it in a pack, throw it in a fire. You know, simple as that. And check it like every 15 minutes or whatever and see how it is. And we'll see how it turns out. This is my first time doing it, but like I said, I want to give a shout out to my friends, Jacqueline and Kim, because, you know, they're amazing. Check them out. Okay, everybody, we just took this off the fire, and we have to remember to get the temperature up to 165, and for the chicken to be good to eat. And it took about 45 minutes to do. But I was going to say, you know, there's so much stuff that you can do as far as boondocking, camping, like we're doing right now with no hookups, and using your grill or your fire pit. Use plastic forks, knives, paper plates, and everything else. It just makes it so much easier. And we have a campfire grill coffee pot here that just, you know, you can use on your stove. Really easy. It's Coleman. So, just getting that said, let's see how these things look. It's gonna be hot though, I'm sure. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my god.
I know, that one's mine. And this one is yours.
That looks and smells delicious.
It does, doesn't it? Oh. And you know, you can eat healthy, and even if you're boondocking, you can eat healthy and everything. But you know what? Sometimes you have to be bad. So my next thing is my next video is going to be a peach cobbler that I'm going to be doing over the fire pit in the cast iron. So that'll be coming out right after this one. Enjoy your meals. Happy camping, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.